No, the game was planned to have a good possession because I tried to put two players between lines, James and Thomas, to use the wide area with Alaba and Kimmich, and I think that the possession was good, the opportunity were good, but we needed to have more balance and more control of the player in front. I thought that we could win, and it's true that Robben, Ribéry, Hummels, a lot of great players were on the bench, but every game I have a great player on the bench, every single game. This is the life of the top club, that you have to leave some great player on the bench. This is my job.